Hi, Paul here for Santa Cruz County GIS. This video is part of a video learning series for the Santa Cruz County GIS web mapping application. In this video, I'll show you where you can get information about a specific parcel, how to generate a couple of different reports, and also how to print your map. If you are unfamiliar with how to search in GIS Web, I recommend viewing the searches video, that's video number 4, to learn about ways to search our GIS data available in GIS Web. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the publicly available version of GIS Web. That's our internet version. If you are a county employee, you probably want to be using our intranet version. Please see the video about how to access GIS Web for these different versions. The information that is returned by GIS Web when you have a successful parcel search is significant but manageable. Your search results will be viewable at the bottom of the GIS Web screen on a tabbed interface. I'm going to do a quick parcel search here by inputting a parcel APN, then clicking the Find It button. The search results will be viewable at the bottom of the GIS Web screen on a tabbed interface. Click the various tabs to get information for your parcel in categories such as Basic Parcel Info, Land Use, Biotic and Water Resources, Special Districts, Jurisdictional Elections and Census, Hazards and Geophysical, as well as School Districts and CSAs. The Parcel Info tab contains the basic situs information about a parcel. This tab also has links to other parcel information. For instance, you can click the full APN link next to click APN for Assessor Info to be taken to a county assessor page for property and tax information. Directly underneath that is a link to the County Assessor's Mapbook page, which is stored in PDF format and is available for immediate viewing as well as downloading. Other information on the Parcel Info tab relates to parcel descriptors such as section, township, range, and tax code area designation. You may need to scroll on the right side to view all information on this tab or other tabs. The Land Use tab contains information about zoning, general plan, and other parcel characteristics relating to land use for the parcel. The Land Use tab contains linked information to the Planning Department's zoning description. You can click this link to be taken to a Planning Department page that will describe the basic zone districts and their summary of uses. The Biotic and Water Resources tab contains information for the parcel regarding biotic features and water resources. This information may pertain to specific species of flora and fauna, as well as hydrologic features such as streams, lakes, and watersheds. The Special Districts tab has information about various districts the parcel is contained in. Fire protection designation, as well as water service and other information, can be viewed on this tab. The Jurisdictional Elections Census tab contains information about county, state, and federal districts, as well as election precinct designation and incorporated city status if applicable. The Hazards and Geophysical tab contain information for the parcel if it is found to be within an earthquake fault zone, a fire hazard area, federal FEMA flood classification, mineral resources, as well as soil types. Finally, the School Districts and CSA, that's Community Service Areas tab, contains information about school districts and trustee regions, as well as county service area designations. All the information from these tabs can be easily saved and printed by creating a report. The report creation tools are on the toolbar on the left at the bottom. There are two pre-formatted report types to choose from. By clicking the button for zoning, you are creating a one-page report that will open in a new tab or browser window, depending on your browser settings. The report is formatted so that the information is grouped the same as the results tabs at the bottom of GIS Web. If you click the Full Report button, you will get a report that is formatted the same as the zoning report, but contains the information from all GIS Web results tabs. This will result in a pre-formatted report that will be 4 pages in length. The final topic covered by this video will be how to print a map from GIS Web. The map printing process is straightforward in this version of GIS Web and gives you more control over the print process. To create a downloadable and printable map from GIS Web, you'll need to click the Print tab at the top of the GIS Web interface. The region above the map will change, and you can work from left to right to set up your print. First, you'll want to pick the map file format. This version of GIS Web allows you to create your map in either JPEG graphics format or the default PDF format by using the drop-down menu located below the word Format. Next, you can choose the page layout size by clicking the drop-down arrow. You can select whether to include a legend in your map or a scale bar, and you can also set a title for your map. Finally, click the Create Map button and your map request will be sent to our server. You will quickly get another tab or browser window with your map in it. You can then print or save the map as you'd like. This concludes video 5 of the Santa Cruz County GIS video learning series on dealing with GIS web results, reports, and map printing. Thanks for watching.